Assalamu alaikum friend, this is HUZAIFA TARIQ from Blackstone Tutorials. In this tutorial I will tell you how to make glitch effect in their pictures in Adobe Photoshop. They were use some shortcut keys such as Control use for remove the object, Control D use for replace the object, and Control E use for merge the groups. So don't waste your time, let's begin.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
friends, subscribe my channel, like, comment, share my videos. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more informative videos about graphic design. Thanks for watching.